Yes, student, in the previous video, we checked how to draw the periodic table belonging to D block element. Now, in this periodic table, earlier I left some of the places like here in the 6th group, 11th group and 12th group. And the element of these groups are given by the red ink. What is the reason? It is because these elements are having some specific characteristics, properties, which we have to highlight during the study. Therefore, they are given in this form. You have to also prepare the periodic table in this form. Now, how do we utilize this periodic table in the study of D block element? So, very first, the definition of transition elements. I told you that in 11th class, very simple definition is given. The transition elements are those which are placed between S and P block and their properties are intermediate of S and P block, that is very change in the property, therefore called transition element. But in 12th class, the definition is little change. This is what? Strictly transition elements are those which have partially filled d orbitals. Now, what is the meaning of partially filled? Actually, student, D subshell have 5 orbitals. If in each orbital we will fill 2 electrons, then there will be 10 electrons. This is called fully filled d orbitals. And the partially filled means 1 to 9 electron if present in d orbital, then this is called partially filled d orbital. So the definition is on the basis of it. Strictly transition elements are those which have partially filled d orbitals in any of the following conditions. In any of the following conditions. Now, what are these conditions? Condition number A, in their neutral atomic form. In their neutral atomic form. That is what? In its elemental form. Like here the scandium have configuration what? 3d4s2. Similarly, the nickel have configuration what? 3d8 and 4s2. That is called neutral atomic form. And number B, we can write here and or. Okay. Plus 2 oxidation state form. Plus 2 oxidation state form. That is from atom, if we release 2 electron, then the remaining configuration, it should be what? Partially filled d orbital. Getting? So the condition is what? Either it follow first one, or it follow second one, or it follow any of the two conditions. Whenever it will considered as transition element. Okay. Now, right here question we can say, explain that last one, 12th group elements of D block are not considered as transition elements. Student, in the heading it is written that all D block elements are called transition element. But now see the question. The question do not follow the given heading. Here it is given the 12th group element, although they belongs to D block, but they do not considered as transition element. We have to explain why. So the answer is what? Because because their configuration is what? N minus 1 and d. How many electrons? 10 electrons, and ns is having what? 2 electrons. So being d orbitals are fully filled in atomic form as well plus 2 oxidation state form. Now plus 2 oxidation state form means what? Means if we release 2 electron, whenever the configuration will remains what? D10. And being now the configuration is having fully filled d orbital, therefore these elements zinc, cadmium and mercury are not considered as transition element. Student, also their properties are very differ as compared to the property of 3rd to 11th group element. Okay, like mercury, it is in liquid form, it behaves very exceptionally as compared to all the elements. Why? This is due to the specific properties. Okay, so again on the basis of this periodic table, we will check the other properties. It is not possible to keep this writing in the board. I have to erase it, but every time you have to watch this video whenever I will discuss the different properties.